Hi, thanks for watching this tutorial. You probably knew that women show more empathy. But did you know that men, when they get some money, that they are just as empathic as women? But this is not what we are gonna talk about in this tutorial. Because in this tutorial, we're gonna analyze the patient's type along with their energy level to create their personal tooth position and smile. How interesting is that? And probably a lot of people think now, oh no, what is he talking about? I didn't get trained this way. And I totally agree on that. We got trained to follow the red line. Aristotle was saying that we need a red line. But I will also show you a red line in this tutorial with the type and energy analysis. But we also got trained by Plato that geometric lines need to be discussed, parables need to be discussed. We don't check the patient type first and then we check the red line and then we check the parables. No, we don't do that. But in this tutorial, we're gonna discuss that. Because if we don't check the patient type first, we just do a case like this. This is a case with amelogenesis imperfecta. And now we check where is the red line. It's definitely very important. What does the study say on amelogenesis imperfecta and how can we treat this case? We said, okay, we also need the geometric lines. This was the dentist. He was suggesting to check the proportion, to check the digital ruler, to check the smile appearance, and he came up with an idea. Then I was saying to the dentist, okay, but if I take a look at the patient, her smile, I see a totally different person. I see a different type. Symmetry wouldn't fit to her. So we have to check out Plato because symmetry doesn't fit. I was saying we need her type, we have to preserve her type. This is more important and we need a red line. And on the posterior, we worked in a digital way according to the wax up. And on the anterior, we worked with feldspathic porcelain with a really absolute minimum invasive preparation just to block out the underlying discoloration. And we have published this case also, and if you want to also see her interview, what she made a couple of years later, I believe 4.5 years later after the treatment was done, then please check on our website. So I was saying it already, finding and preserving identity, that's the coup. And we need a third person. And that third person is Leonardo da Vinci. And I have to say, these three people don't mind if we mix them together. Because two of them, they lived before Christ, and Leonardo da Vinci lived around 1500 after Christ. And what's for me so special about Leonardo da Vinci? When he was painting The Last Supper, his boss was saying, oh, you're not painting at all. Why are you on painting? And he said, oh, I need to find Judas. What do you mean by that? You need to find Judas? Yes, I need to see his type, his energy, and then I can paint him. Yes, he was at bars and was walking around just to find Judas. And then, if he knows the type and energy, it was easy for him to paint Judas. So he was looking for the characters for the Last Supper painting. So for me, using Plato, the geometric lines and their ideas, I mean, it's interesting. Plato was also saying ideas are the source of all things. But what if we have the wrong idea? We create a wrong body part. if we check the type first and check, is this the right type for that person? And then we check the energy level. We can't be wrong, because we just follow the person. And we always need the red line, that's for sure. Aristoteles, we need the studies, and we need the red line. It's just a different approach. And I would say, how could dentistry correlate with the World Happiness Report?